Meet the HE&M VT120HA-60-CTS automatic vertical production bandsaw that miter cuts up to 60 degrees both directions. The saw has a cutting capacity of 18 inches horizontal by 24 inches vertical at 90 degrees. Uses a 1 1/4 inch blade with a 4-degree blade cant to facilitate smoother blade entry and exit with better blade tooth loading. The blade is driven by a 7.5 horsepower 3-phase motor that can be set up for 220 or 440 volt. The motor and gearbox are at the top of the saw arm head to keep them safely away from chips and coolant contamination for extended life and low maintenance. The saw uses reliable 5 horsepower pressure compensated variable volume hydraulic system for years of reliable service. The VT120HA has multiple vising and clamping options to secure various materials in place to ensure accurate cuts, including a standard full stroking main saw vise, an optional second main vise, and an optional third holding vise on the bar feed to aid in aligning the material before it goes into the shuttle vise area and to assist in holding the material while it is being cut. The vices have adjustable variable pressure, and the wear plates on the vise and saw bed are heavy duty and easily replaceable. Full and reduced capacity top clamps can be added for vertical clamping of structural shapes and when material bundles are to be cut. The vices and top clamps can be opened and closed automatically in automatic mode. A 0 to 48 inch stroke hydraulic motor bar feed comes standard on VT100HA. The bar feed has multiple indexing capabilities for longer cutting applications. A 0 to 48 inch and a 0 to 120 inch stroke Servo twin ball screw bar feed are available as an option. The Servo bar feed allows for faster movement and higher repeatability. The 120 inch Servo bar feed includes a third holding vise. A set of idle non-lifting rollers are on each side of the saw base to help movement material before and after cutting. Power raised lift-up rollers are also available as an option. The swing-away control console is conveniently located in the front of the saw for mechanical and all electronic functions. This allows the operator to easily control the cut while seeing the progress clearly. The touchscreen control located on the console is a PLC-driven system with heavy-duty industrial touchscreen interface for many functions and operations. The touchscreen display provides easy-to-use menu navigation for programming and running automatic jobs, as well as manual functions for operating the saw. Memory storage includes a job library for recalling previous entered jobs, and material list that consists of data, base, and the most common materials, ranging from structural steels to high tensile specialty alloys, as well as cast iron and aluminum grades. The list includes the recommended blade speed, cutting rates, and blade pitch for the type and size of material. The data can then be transferred to a job and run automatically. A series of cuts for certain parts can be programmed to be cut from the same bar stock by entering up to 12 jobs that will be run in a sequence. Multiple reps of the series can be created and saved in the menu. The control panel allows for quick I/O and system operations to calibrate the encoders and help diagnose a possible problem with the operation of the saw. The patented cut watcher system monitors the cut for squareness to a preset deviation value. The system shuts down the saw when the preset value is exceeded. This is a must for production cutting. The guide arm is powered and adjustable to provide optimum blade support as material sizes change, holding the blade securely, providing straighter cuts and longer blade life. The saw has a totally built-in coolant system with sealed coolant pump, with coolant that is dispensed through 2 flex tube nozzles to flood the center of the cut. A cutting fluid washdown hose is provided for machine cleanup. A spray mist system is also available as an option to lubricate the blade with a mist that is adjustable. An optional laser light can be added to indicate either above or below where the blade will enter material for the cut. A powered chip conveyor or a manual hand crank chip conveyor are both available options that allow chips to be moved out of the base of the saw and into the chip bin for easy removal. The HE&M Saw VT120HA-60-CTS isn't just a machine, it's a commitment to precision, productivity, and performance. Proudly built in America, it's designed to handle your toughest jobs with ease and reliability. Visit hemsaw.com or contact us today to learn more.